Gentlemen, what if I told you that you could unlock an entirely new level of elegance and confidence in your woman without buying her a single diamond or taking her to Paris? What if all it takes is a pair of mule heels and the right words from you? If you've ever looked at your beautiful wife and thought, wow, she'd look drop-dead stunning in those sleek, open-back, slip-on heels, but just didn't know how to say it. Stay with me, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sweet-talk your queen into slipping into something sexy, stylish, and surprisingly comfortable mule heels. First things first, let's understand the real reason you want her in heels. It's not just about height, not just about curves. It's about how she carries herself when she feels beautiful. Mule heels do something magical. They elongate her legs, they lift her posture, they whisper elegance, and they scream, "I'm that woman." You see her as your queen. She deserves to feel like royalty. So why mules? They're open-backed, easy to slip on, they're elegant without being too formal. And they're comfortable enough to wear in the kitchen or to the corner store, but sexy enough to turn heads at dinner. Your mission is simple. Make her want to wear them, not because you told her to, but because she feels it's her idea. Let's get into the how. Timing is everything. Don't start this conversation while she's chasing the kids or doing the dishes. You need the right moment, calm, quiet, and cozy. Here single quotes as a secret weapon. Set the scene. Dim the lights. Put on soft jazz or her favorite slow jam. Offer her a glass of wine or her go-to herbal tea. Maybe cook her dinner or order in from her favorite sport. Then gently bring it up. Not directly. Start by admiring her. No woman wants to feel like you're changing her. She wants to feel celebrated. So here's the trick. Make it about her style. Notice what she already wears. Is she a lover of chic flats? Does she enjoy boho sandals? Maybe she wears heels on special occasions only. Tie mule heels into her world. You're not just complimenting the shoe, you're complimenting the woman wearing it. Let her imagine herself in them. That's half the battle. Okay, time to turn up the heat. This part is golden. Gift her without pressure. Surprise her with a pair of mules, but wrap them in romance. Here's how. Don't just drop the box on the bed. Write a short note. For the queen who walks like royalty even in slippers. I thought these might match your magic. Include a mini mirror or perfume in the box for that extra flair. But here's the key. Tell her she doesn't have to wear them. Just say, "I saw them and thought of you." No pressure, just something I thought would look stunning on someone who already stuns me. You've given her a gift, a compliment, and zero expectations. Good luck!